Well, here I am. I'm in my new car taking it out for a spin around local here. And this might give you some idea why I need an SUV for all you tree-hugging hippies. Look behind you here. Here we go. There it goes. It's Pioneer Peak. Oh, but wait, there's more. Check out this side. That's why, in order, look at this, this is majestic. There's a little boat right there. But you have to get over, you have to drive through this stuff to get over there. And it's higher than it normally is. Looks like they have engine trouble over there. Yeah, that's a little deeper than I want to go on the first day of my car. There's my car. And there's some Alaska scenery for you. This is the Knik River, K-N-I-K.
Okay.
You say you got it in Sutton?
No, it's been at my friend's house in Sutton.
Oh, okay.
I got this guy out at the Goose. Got it out at the Goose out past Eureka Lodge.
Man, I should be out here fishing. I can't see anything going that way. It's into the sun. There's a boat out there. Going mobile in my new car. We check this out. Touchscreen. That's where we are.